Open the freezer. Take out the frozen meal. Close the freezer. Set the frozen meal on the counter. Open the frozen meal. Read the first step.
I have to cut film to vent.
Go to the utensil drawer. Open the drawer. Take out a knife. Close the drawer. Cut the film to vent. Read the second step.
Cook 4 minutes on high.
Open the microwave. Place meal in the microwave. Close the microwave. Set the timer on the microwave. Read the third direction.
Stir and recover.
Open the microwave. Take meal out of the microwave. Open up the meal. Stir the meal. Recover the meal. Read the fourth direction.
Cook again, 1 minute on high.
Place meal in microwave. Close the microwave. Set the timer. Let stand for 1 minute. Open the microwave. Take the meal out of the microwave. Remove the film from the meal. Throw away the film. Your meal is prepared.